Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to count dates by day of the week. This is what we are going to do. When you look at the existing table, I have got the dates here. The first step is to identify what is the day of this particular date. I'm using a weekday formula to identify the day of the week. If you're new to this weekday function, kindly go and check out the link below in the description. The serial number and the return type is covered in detail. Serial number is the date and what is the return time. This depends on when do you start the first day of the week. Is it Monday? If it is a Monday, it's going to be a 2. And when you look at 11, from 11 onwards, you will take only one day as a off. But whereas in 2 and 3, you will take 2 days as a off. That is the main difference. So I'm giving 2 because majority of us do not work on Saturday and Sunday. And by any chance, if your team is working on Saturday also, then you can take 11 as the reference. Close and hit enter. We have got it. 1 stands for Monday, 2 stands for Tuesday, and it goes on, and 7 stands for Sunday. So in the entire days, you can see we have got 1, 2, 3, and so on. The second step is to create a helper column. How exactly Excel should recognize? So I have created a helper column. So when we have created the helper column, let's go and do the formula. First, I'm using a weekday formula. For the serial number, I'm taking the entire range of the dates, comma, what is the return type? As specified, return type is 2, close. And when it has identified the weekday, what it should do? It should compare it with the helper column here. And specifically, I'm locking this in order to make it as a column reference by pressing function F4. When I hit enter, you can see this is going to get me true or false. So you can see 1 and 1 becomes true. 7 and 2 is a false. Again 1 and 3 is a false. 4 and 4 is a true. So that's how it evaluates it. So once this is done, now I am going to convert this formula into a Boolean operation. What exactly is a Boolean operation? I don't want true and false, rather than I want this to be 0 and 1. In order to force Excel to convert this as a 0 and 1, what we have to do is give 2 times hyphen in the formula and give a open bracket and give a close bracket. This will force it to become either 0 or 1. So wherever it is true, it will become 1, and wherever it is false, it will become 0. So you can see 1 and 1 becomes true and 4 and 4 becomes true, leaving that everything else becomes a false here. Now, once you have done this, finally we will be going and using a function called as a sum product. The sum product will help us in converting the entire formula range into a array range. Hit enter and you can see 4 times we have got Monday. When I just drag it down, we have got how many days are available here. How exactly the total number of days is 4? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times Monday is available in this particular range. Again, when you look at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, it's only 1. 2, it's only 1. 3, 1 time. 4, 1 time. 5, 1 time. And 6, 1 time. But whereas 7, 1 time here and second time here. Though we have counted the days, but we haven't used a count function. Excel is always amazing. Please try this out. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos. Good day.